Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Block Someone on Instagram if they have already blocked you. Let's dive right in. Unfortunately, you cannot directly block someone who has already blocked you on Instagram. Since they've restricted your access to their profile, the standard blocking method won't apply. However, you can still manage your messages with them. Open Instagram on your phone. Tap the messenger icon located at the top right corner to access your messages. Find the chat thread with the person who has blocked you, and tap on View Profile. In their profile, tap the three dots located at the top right corner. If available, you may find a Block option there. Please note, this should be considered a last resort, as creating multiple accounts may violate Instagram's terms of service. This version maintains clarity while providing alternative steps to manage interactions with someone who has blocked you on Instagram. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.